Baby cockatiel overload. I think there's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 of them here.
No, there's 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're right. So a little normal. She's still not weaned, but close. This one, a little normal, but I'm pretty sure that's a male. And he's got some tick marks, so he's split pied. Another one, I think probably a male. Neat little crown. That's the white face. Pearl. Another normal, we think probably female, split pied. Cinnamon pearl. Normal pearl, possibly something like that. And another normal pearl with a very light cheek. Very light cheek. And that's the cinnamon white face, which is filthy with food. And then see, they just come jumping on the kids. They just come jumping. Come on, baby, come on.
He jumped.
And there's a flight. Hello, he flew up to my hand. Hello. Yeah, this is a very sweet one. So go to her, Nicholas. Go to her. Go to her, Nicholas.
Give him attention.
She jumps. This one jumps. No, he doesn't.
He does. He's actually what he's doing. He's likes to nibble on your fingers. So this is a group of babies right now.